ProMRO, the embedded add-on for Acumatica, created for the maintenance, repair, and overhaul community, now grants this same community the opportunity to seamlessly and painlessly leverage the PartsBase aviation marketplace. With minimal effort, ProMRO's PartsBase integration will provide your team with the opportunities to search PartsBase's tens of millions unique lines of available inventory worldwide. After locating the part necessary, ProMRO's PartsBase extension will help you create an email to request a quote for that part, making procurement easy and trackable with a history of all communication transactions. ProMRO's PartsBase integration also removes the painful barriers of inventory segregation, affording your team the ability to post excess inventory for sale on the PartsBase aviation marketplace, while still protecting your on-hand inventory quantities that are reserved for current projects within your shop. ProMRO's PartsBase integration also provides a simple and effective means to collect RFQs from PartsBase subscribers who are looking to procure parts that match your posted inventory. This means ProMRO's PartsBase integration will automatically query PartsBase RFQs specific to your parts and create a contact and opportunity to quote that part to the interested party without ever leaving the Acumatica environment. Careful measures are taken to ensure that each unique subscriber within PartsBase is represented through a single Acumatica contact. This keeps your contact list clean and devoid of duplicate PartsBase subscribers, while also keeping your contact's purchase history intact so that your team can identify repeat customers. The ProMRO PartsBase integration provides customizable dashboard items for the appropriate members of your staff. KPI cards like open opportunities, outstanding quotes, and sell-through charts are all available within the Acumatica environment. This provides your team with the ability to proactively care for each opportunity to create a satisfied customer and increasing your sales using excess inventory you already have on the shelf. For a detailed demonstration of the ProMRO PartsBase integration and to answer any questions you may have, contact clients first at 1-800-331-8382 or email us at info@cfbs-us.com.